This week is all about superheroes. And in this video, we're going to be doing some flying and working on our balance, doing some really good superhero poses as we balance, pretending that we're flying. So, if you'd like to get two props, this is completely optional, but if you happen to have a superhero cape and fancy getting all dressed up, then you can go ahead and do that. Or if you would like to get a scarf that you can wrap around you and pretend is your cape, or perhaps a pillowcase or something like that. Also, if you'd like to bring a little friend with you, perhaps a little teddy or something, because we will be using this to make our teddies fly as well. And for the adults, if you've got particularly little ones that you're dancing with today and doing this video with, if you've got the energy in you, perhaps you can lift them up and let them have a little bit of a fly in the air as well. It's completely up to you, take this how you need to. Alright, let's get started. So we're going to start this class by sitting on the floor. So make sure you've got enough room to the sides of you that you can stretch out your arms. We're going to sit up nice and tall. Good, can you stretch out your arms as wide as you can? And then bring them all in, curl up in a little ball. And then stretch them out really wide. And then curl up really small. And what about, can you go really high up? Stretching your fingertips towards the sky. Imagining that we can lift off the floor, we're so tall. Good, and curl up really small. And let's go really wide again. Out to the sides, good. Really stretching into your fingertips. Good, and curling up. And all the way up to the ceiling. Ooh, past the ceiling up to the sky. And curling all up. Good. One last time out to the sides. And we're going to fly from side to side. So tilting over, touching the floor, and then this way. Good. Stretching our bodies, getting ready to dance. Imagine we're flying from side to side as you turn in the air. Good. Alright. And can you shake your hands for me? Can you shake your legs? Get them nice and warm, wiggle them around. Good. And let's jump up onto our feet. Good. And if you would like to grab your teddy, we're going to start flying around with it, okay? So, I've got my little panda here, and we're going to start by, can you make them fly really low to the floor? From side to side, or maybe up a little bit, and then swimming that back down. Good. And good. Lovely. So really far away from you. And maybe they come really close to your body. Maybe they go around your head. And you make it go around your body part. Or maybe a leg. Can you get through your leg, underneath your knee? Good. And what about the other leg? Good. And again. Can you change it from hand to hand? I think we need to get a bit higher. Can you get higher and higher with your teddy? Good, and really tall. And go anywhere you like in the space, making your teddy fly all the way around the world, around your body. Can you pass it around your body? Beautiful. Good. Are you ready to fly yourself? I am. Let's put our little teddy down to the side. Get it back later if you want to. Good. So, we are going to fly with one arm up in front of us. Let's try that first. Can you fly really high, really low, big lunges. Good. And can you pretend that you're going this way? And then you're going to change direction and go the other way. Changing which arm's in the front. Good. And travelling around your space, up and down, changing the height. Beautiful. If you have your scarf and you want to have it behind you and watch it flying as you go, or perhaps you've already got your cape on, watching the material. Now that we've gotten used to how we can fly around, you can fly high and low. Try going really fast, or like you're in slow motion, really slow in the space as well. We're going to fly around And then when the music stops, I want you to stop moving and hold a balance. So it's like we've caught you in a picture in mid-air, okay? I'm going to show you 2 different types of balancing that we're going to do today. The first one, we're going to stand up and we're going to balance on one leg. So let's just try for a moment. Can you stand on one leg? Hold your tummies really tight. Use your hands to help you balance. Good. And try the other leg. Balancing on one leg. Superb. Amazing. Try the other leg one more time. Woo. Good. And the other leg. Woo. Brilliant. Amazing. Let's stand on one leg. We're holding out our arm like we did before in front of you. And then this leg is going to go up behind you. So can you hold this position like you're flying in midair? And can you try and keep it as still as you can? Like we've taken a picture in the middle of you flying. Let's try it on the other leg. We can do it on that leg too. Good. Make it as still as you can. Don't worry if you wobble or you fall down. Quickly put your legs down. Catch yourself. Good. And then try again. Woo. Good. If you feel a bit wobbly, don't worry. Catch yourself. Try again. Good. So that's our high balance. So you can stop and hold that balance. Our second one, we're going to balance on our tummies. Can you find your tummy? Give it a little tickle. Good. So we're going to put our tummies on the floor, but we're going to try and only put our tummies on the floor. So have a little go. Lie down. And then what you're going to do is you're going to lift your body off of the floor. So only your tummy's on the floor. Good. So your legs and your arms go up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. Lovely. So that's our low balance. And in that one, you don't have to be still. You can be like on the floor. Let's try it one more time. I'm going to face the other way. So lying on the floor and pretending that you're flying. Good. Maybe you still have one arm forward, or maybe 2, or maybe they're out to the side. Okay? Good. So we've got our high balance and our low balance. And when the music stops, I want you to hold one of them. Okay? And in between, you can fly around with your cape, or by yourself, or maybe with your teddy. Okay? Here we go. I'm going to start with my little panda. You ready? So we're flying. Do a big turn. Good. And can you go up high? And down low. Anywhere you like in the space. And when the music stops, we balance. Hold it. Good. And keep going. Flying. Lovely. And good. Maybe you've got your cape flying around behind you. And can you do a low balance? Get down low. Good. And fly. Good. And when the music stops, you know what to do. One of your balances. Good. Brilliant. Keep going. Up high. And flying low. Good. And one last balance. Brilliant. So you don't have to stop there. You can keep on flying, put on a piece of music, and you can fly and maybe add in some extra poses. So not just our balances that we were doing today, up on one leg or on the floor. You can use all sorts of superhero poses. You could be Spider-Man. Or you could be the Hulk. Or Wonder Woman. Or anything you like, okay?